We retrieve the data from a database with the select statement. For example, if we want to retrieve all data from the staff table, we use the following select statement. Select all from staff. The star sign or the asterisk sign means all columns. In the results, all columns of staff table will be displayed. If we do not want to select all columns from the staff table, we need to specify which columns to be selected. In the following SQL statements, select SID, SName, DID from staff, we only select SID, SName, and DID columns from the staff table. In the results, only the 3 selected columns will be displayed. In the previous 2 examples, all staff's records will be displayed in the results. If we want to exclude some records from the results, we use the where clause. Where clause is to check whether each of the records meets certain conditions or not. To do the checking, we rely on the comparison operators. The comparison operators are common in programming languages, including VBA, Python, Java, and SQL. For example, suppose we want to find the staff from the legal department. We execute the select statement, select all from staff where DID equal to legal. In the select statements, we have select clause, from clause, and where clause. The DBMS will always process from clause at the beginning. You will check whether the staff table exists in a database or not. Next, DBMS will process the where clause. The where clause will check whether each of the records in staff table meets the specified conditions. In this example, the specified condition is whether the value of DID column is equal to legal. If yes, the record will be included in the result. The DBMS will now process the select clause. The select clause is to specify which columns to be included in the results. As a short summary, the where clause specifies which records to be included, and the select clause specifies which columns to be included in the results. In this example, we want to find the staff with salary less than 30,000 with the following select statement. Select SID, SName, DID, salary from staff, where salary less than 30,000. In the where clause, we compare the salary column with a numerical value, 30,000. The data type of salary column is number. It is optional for us to state a number value with the pair of single quotation marks. Suppose we want to find the staff who joined the company on or later than 1st of January 2015. We use the following select statement. Select all from staff where employment date is greater than or equal to 1st of January 2015. The data type of employment date is date, and we specify the date's value with a pair of single quotation marks. The distinct keyword is for us to remove the duplicated results. For example, if we want to list the department's ID from staff table without duplicated results, we write the following select statement. Select distinct DID from staff. So far we have discussed several examples on where-clause and comparison operators. We need to keep in mind that we cannot compare the null values with the comparison operators. For example, if we want to list the staff who has no confirmed benefits, such that the BQ column has the null values, we execute the following select statement. Select as name from staff where BQ is null.